This is Larry. It's April 26th, Saturday. I'm on a new claim, the shotgun claim that the Prospectors Club of California has. They want us to do some test holes. They're going to run it through the mad mining equipment, see if it has anything. But it's right where I am right now. It's not too bad, but up on top it's super windy. My brother's up there, Randy. My brother Randy's doing some metal detecting. So I'm going to do some digging and get a 5-gallon bucket filled up to run. There's Randy up there metal detecting, just right above where I'm at here. Trying out his new metal detector. His whites, I forget what it's called, it's like GMT or GMX. I think right down there is where we take the head and go through it. Alright, so we're doing a little metal detecting. Somebody else with a gold bug too found about 3 or 4 little nuggets. Don't know exactly where. Here's Randy way at the top. Guy in the middle, I think he might be, his name's Ron, I think he might be the president of the club. He's found a couple. Yeah, getting a little noise there. It might be a hot rock. Might just be a hot rock. No. On that hole over there, I guess it's a good one where they're raking. She just found another one, so I think they found 5, 6, 7, something like that. There's Randy down there. So far I haven't had any hits. The location marker for the shotgun claim. Here's Randy up on the hill, still going straight. A lot of trash in this area. It's hard to metal detect. There's trash here. Well, I made it back home in the evening. It was a long day. That'll really wear you out swinging that. Doesn't seem like it would, but swinging the metal detector for hours on end gets a little tiring. Yeah, I didn't find any nuggets. Actually, I found gold about every way imaginable,
but I've never found a nugget with a metal detector yet. Let's see, one person found 7 nuggets, small nuggets. Another found somewhere between 5 and 7. I didn't get the final count. There were some people dry washing. I don't know, the wind was so heavy. I don't know how much they could do, and I'm not sure what they got. Randy forgot his glasses, so any hot dirt that he had, he put in a bucket to take home to try to look through it once he got home to see if he had anything. I'm pretty sure he's going to have a bunch of trash, because he was walking in this gully that had, was known for a lot of trash there, nails and, you name it, over the years. So the area we were working in, the Benson area on that claim, it's been worked since the 1800s. Benson had, I guess, 2 of the biggest mines in the area there for years. And then, people have been working it over and over and over. But again, after all these years, people were still finding small nuggets today. Fortunately, I wasn't one of them. So, but I'm glad it did. I'm glad it was windy. It forced me to use a metal detector all day long. I normally don't. I always say I'm going to, but I don't, just because I never find anything. But one of these days, I have to take a trip to Arizona. That's where all the nuggets are. Okay, and I'm sorry for the wind noise. Believe me, it was even louder if you were there. So, you'll have to put up with it. Good night.